Hey there, aspiring yarn artists. Welcome back to Crochet Republic, the go-to channel for all things yarn and hooks. I'm Chanel, and today we have a fantastic tutorial lined up for you. We're diving into one of the most fundamental skills in crochet, the slipknot. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refresh your memory, this tutorial is perfect for you. This method may seem overly complex, but once you have mastered it, you will be 3/4 of the way to mastering the magic circle. We'll break down the process step by step, making it super easy to follow along. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all of our crochet adventures. Now let's get our materials together. You will need any smooth, chunky sized yarn in a light color and a 5mm hook to complete this tutorial. For more information about the hook and yarn, watch our previous video about choosing tools. For step 2, let's talk about your starting grip on the yarn for making a slipknot. Start by opening your left hand with the palm facing you. Now take a hold of your yarn tail with your right hand and drape the tail over your hand with the tail end hanging past your pinky. The working end of your yarn should be draped behind your hand. Use your left thumb to pinch the tail end of the yarn to your palm. Hold this grip throughout the process until your slipknot is complete. For step 3, let's talk about how you wrap the yarn around your hand. Take hold of the working end of your yarn with your right hand. Bring it down behind your left hand and place the yarn between the middle and ring fingers of your left hand. Next, you will move the yarn upwards so it crosses over your starting point, forming a large X across your index and middle finger. Bring the yarn down behind your left hand again. This time you want to wrap it around all 4 fingers, so bring it up under the pinky finger, then place the working end under your thumb with the tail end. You need to hold onto both of these ends until your slipknot is complete. For step 4, let's check that we've wrapped the yarn around our hand correctly. Let's follow our yarn trail. The tail end is pinned between the thumb and palm of my left hand. The working end is wrapped over my hand at an angle and down the back of my hand. Next, it moves between my middle finger and my ring finger to the front of my hand. Then it moves upwards again at an angle over the top of my index finger, so that an X is formed on my index and middle fingers. Finally, it moves around the back of my hand again and up under the pinky finger where the working end is. Then add it to the tail end and pinch to the palm by my thumb. When I turn my hand over to see the back side, you will notice that the wrapping has created 2 lines. The short line closer to my fingertips and a long line closer to my hand. If your wrap job looks the same as mine, you're ready to pick up your hook. For step 5, let's talk about how to use your hook to create a slipknot. Pick up your hook with your right hand and make sure the hook tip is pointing down towards the floor. Turn your left hand so the 2 lines face upwards. Place your hook, tip down, on your fingers between the index finger and the middle finger of the left hand. Push the hook under the short line. Then lift the tip and push it over the second, longer line. Allow your hook to actually hook the yarn of the second line. Start pulling your hook back out while letting it take the yarn with it until the yarn from the second line has been pulled under the yarn from the first line. Do not let go. Keep pulling gently and remove your index and middle finger from the loop while you pull. Once the fingers are out, you can pull tight and your slipknot is complete. For step 6, let's talk about how to open and close your slipknot. You will notice that your slipknot is quite loose at the moment. If you want to tighten the knot around your hook, take hold of a working end and pull on it until the knot is as tight as you want it. If you want to loosen your knot, take hold of a tail end and pull on it until it's as loose as you want it. If you want to undo your knot, take it off the hook, take hold of both ends and pull them apart. The knot will come loose. And there you have it, future yarn artists. We've covered the ABCs of making a slipknot, which will form the base of every crochet item you make in the future. I hope this guide has set you on the path to crochet success. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Crochet Republic for more crochet tips, tricks and creative projects. Ring that bell to stay updated on all our upcoming yarn-filled escapades. Thank you for joining us on this crochet journey. You can also find Crochet Republic on Etsy, Facebook and Instagram. Links are in the introduction below the video for easy access. Handmake with love until we meet again in the Crochet Republic. Bye for now.